Hello, this is Ripon back with another video, and in today's video we will have a look on this topic. Let's see what we are gonna discuss today. So you were saying you were watching that I am in a website, and if I click on add to cart button here, then within 2 seconds, a sidebar cart is coming, and it is the design is so beautiful, and it is having the view cart button. It is having the options to go to the continue shopping and to the checkout page. So if I go to the view cart, then it will take me to the cart page. And if the customer wants to go to the checkout page directly, he can also go to that page also. So from here, now we will see how we can make these same functionalities in our own website. So this is the back end of my WordPress website, and I have added some product on here. As you can see, the demo product. Now if I click on add to cart button, then the product has been added to cart, but there's no interaction that is happening from here. There's no checkout page or view cart button, or to take some quick action things. So if I go to the cart page, you can see that there are several products that has been added to the cart by clicking on that add to cart button. So the album that has been added, as you can see here, it has been added 3 times. I have clicked before to test. So I want that the same functionality that I have done here in this website, I will do it for my own website. So for making like that, we will use a plugin called Sidecar to Commerce, that is by Utix. So I'll copy this one, and from the plugins, I will go on here, add new plugin, and go here and search with the Sidecar to Commerce name. So it will come like this. You need to click on install now button. Within a few seconds, the plugin will be installed, and we need to click on the activate button. So let's click on the activate button. Now the plugin has been activated successfully. And that now we will click on the settings button. There are several options that are available for this. Now after activating the plugin, if we go to the shop page and give a refresh, then you will see it already has been added. The 5 product is added and the floating cart that has been added. And if I click on here now, then you will see this beautiful design with the black. Everything is black. So we will need to customize these things to match with our theme style. So if I go here, then you will see that you are having the options to add this in the menu area. You can add the menu area here in the menu. So you need to go here, appearance, then menus. Then you need to create a menu. So if I click on primary menu and create a menu, then give it as a name primary menu and select all the pages to show sorry, here select all, then add to menu, then save menu. And if I give a refresh now, then that menu is coming here, as you can see. Now what I need to do, I will go to the settings again, and here's the option will come that after the primary menu, this will show. So if I click on save button now and give a refresh, then you will see this is available here. So it's fun. You can add your cart counter right of the menu. So you can change the color. So if you can also have the options to remove the icon or subtotal or the count options for the header. Now if we go to the sidecar body means this body, this full body, Then you can have the options to show the product image, product name, product price, and so on. These things that are available here to customize it. You can have a lot. You can have a lot of options. You just need to check and see here. Now you can see that the auto open cart. So Ajax add to cart, yes, or you can set it to no, or you can set the cart order that if the product is added to the cart, basket count value. So there are several options that you will have here to change. And you can right now if I go here and in the continue shopping, then you will see nothing is happening. So if you want to change that, you can have the URL here to set the shop page URL. So if I save it and if I go and give a refresh and go here in the continue shop, because when you will go to the cart page, suppose I am in the cart page and I want to go back to the shop again, so I will have the options to go continue shop and get back to the main page that I want. And I mean you can change all the content from here on the all the text, that your cart, the view cart, continue shopping, the checkout. And if I go to the style tab now, then the site card width we can change that. We can make it 500. Height, obviously it will be full height, otherwise it will not look good. We can set the auto adjust also. Let's see how this look. As you can see here, auto adjust. So the how many product will be added, the this will depend on this. Like if I add some more product here, if I add to the product more, then the height has increases. Now if I delete some, then the height will be like this. Now it will open from the right, obviously, otherwise it will not functionally, it will not looking good. You can use custom font for the sidecart basket, that will be always hide. I will prefer this one as hide when cart is empty. That means this floating cart, when there is no product, then this will be hidden. So if I want to test that, I will click on save. And if I remove this two product from here, now it need to be refreshed, otherwise it will, as you can see, there is no floating cart now. If I click on add to cart, then this floating cart will come and it will be visible. This and there is options to show on mobile. Obviously it's need to be show on mobile. It's very important. You can set the icon size, you can set the basket size, you can change the basket icon, as you can see. So you can change it. If I save it here, as you can see here, the changes are visible here. You can change the basket positions also, at the top, at the bottom, or you can set the off canvas value. You can see. So if I set it to 550, then this is the positions that it will have. So I'll prefer to set it to 450, so it will look more better. And the basket offset, when the cart is closed, on that time you can set it from here. And the basket color, so I'll prefer to make it with compatible with our theme color right now. So the theme color is almost like a blue one. I hope this so I'll take that color. Yeah, this color, and I will set this color here. As you can see, the color has been changed. And the black again, I will change it to this color, the black color. So all of the black color you can change it to this here. As you can see, this color, and the text color here, you can set it to blue. It looks like blue na. So that will looks much better with your theme design na? Now it's perfect. So it will go with your theme. So this way you can just customize all the things that you are needed, and there are more things that you can do. You can write some custom CSS. In the info there is an interesting things. It is having shortcode functionality, and if you want to made a custom, if you want to made a custom header counter with your own icon, uh, suppose you want a completely different icon that it is having, like the options is having here with some icons, uh, this icon, you want the different icon from this one. So on that time what you need to do, you need to just place this code here, this class, actually the WSC card trigger this class into your code, so that code will be triggered as your uh, like this. So it will be triggered like this. So hope you have understand that this plugin can increase your sales completely. It can change your product overview. So thank you very much. See you in our next episode. Till then, bye.